Hello, good morning. How are you all doing? I hope everybody is doing fabulous. Winters have started, सर्दियां आ गई हैं और सर्दियों के साथ साथ ही इट्स ऑल अबाउट यू फिर से कुछ ऐसे टॉपिक्स लेकर आएगा जो आप लोग बात करने से घबराते हैं. बट it's all about you has started this initiative that we will talk about it because it's all about you. And today again we are here with a beautiful guest, Miss Hetal, who is founder of Soham Studios. वो क्या करती है मैं आपको बताऊंगी बिकॉज ये एक ऐसा टॉपिक है जब मैंने आई थिंक आई हैव अप्रोच्ड 10 people कि प्लीज कम ऑन माय लाइफ एंड दे सेड नो टू इट. सो आप समझ सकते हैं कि ये कितना ही डरावना टॉपिक होगा. I will not call it horror because this is again a moment that one should enjoy. And you know what is the topic? So I am Preeti, your host again, and coming live from my page. It's all about you, and the topic is none other than menopause. Menopause. I break it like this: ki, hey, Admi, now it's a pause time. But people don't want to talk about it, and especially the females who are actually dealing with it. So today I've invited a special guest who just said yes in one go. And I said, this is a topic. And she said, wow, that's what I love to talk about. She is none other than our favorite Hetal, founder of Soham Studios, and one of my very dear friend. I met her on a platform, but how we connected and how we have spoken so long, I don't know. But yes, she is here to help us out. She is a yoga therapist. She is one person whom I can vouch for when my daughter was going through a problem of PCOD, when she was just 17, and she guided me in a right manner, better than a doctor. I would say better than a doctor. क्यों better than a doctor? Because doctors आपको medicine पे रखते हैं जिसका इफेक्ट आपको उस टाइम पे नहीं दिखता है, बट येस आफ्टर अ मंथ और सो यू विल रियलाइज दैट कि ऐसा कुछ हो रहा है. And many of my close friends are already taking sessions with her and they are finding it wonderful and useful too. So अगर आपने लाइव ज्वाइन नहीं किया है, so this is a time. If you're watching me, please come and do join this live because वैसे आप रिपीटेड देख सकते हैं, बट ये लाइव ज्वाइन करना इसीलिए जरूरी है ताकि if you have any questions you can ask her. Definitely I'm not going to leave her. I will be inviting her at the end of this month again in my series Ask Me Anything, where you can bombard all the questions related to menopause जो आज आप समझेंगे सुनेंगे, and she will be there to answer all your queries. So beautiful people around, this is a topic that no one wants to talk about, but still I want to talk about it happily. And I am not feeling embarrassed that I'm talking about menopause because that's again a golden period of anybody's life. Or ये सिर्फ females को नहीं आते, that's why female don't want to talk about it. It's with both that I have realized, male and female both. So Hetal, मेरी बकबक तो चलती रहेगी. It's over to you. Tell us something about yourself, and then we can proceed with lot of questions that I have made for you.
Okay. Thank you, Preeti, for hosting me today. It's indeed my pleasure. Something about me. I started my journey after my graduation in a corporate world. Okay. And thanks to my two wonderful angels that I was motivated, or I took a sabbatical. And during that sabbatical time, I went through a real good uphill task. And I would say I have gone through enough during that time, because when you have an active corporate life and from that you take a break, you go through a lot of changes in your mind. Okay. And that is when I got introduced to yoga, thanks to my partner. And I started with yoga. I practiced yoga as a practitioner. I was not a qualified, or I did not have any inclination to be a teacher. But after practicing for good 5 years dedicatedly with the Yoga Institute Santa Cruz, there were a number of people who observed me and they suggested that why don't you become a trainer by yourself? And that motivated me. And that is where I started learning to become a teacher. And I completed many courses on yoga therapy. I did my education even through Mumbai University for yoga course. And that is what all about me. And I'm running a course studio, which is Soham Studios, to handle everything on yoga therapy.
Wonderful. Great, Etal. Wonderful introduction. Okay. So ready? And before I start, there is a hitch that people don't want to talk about this topic. Why? Is it such a bad thing?
It's not a bad thing, according to me. It's like, ये तो बहुत important phase of life है, जहाँ पे as a female हम लोग हमारी maturity को एक दूसरे हद पे लेके जाते हैं.
Wow.
And हमें ये moments cherish करने चाहिए, dread नहीं करने चाहिए.
Wow. So beautiful thought. So people who are listening to us on my page of It's All About You, this community is totally dedicated to you. So please come do and join this community, because we will be touching those topics that no one wants to talk about it. And as she said very rightly, that this is a moment to cherish. Please enjoy this moment also as you enjoy your motherhood or your teenager, when you start getting your periods. I think you should enjoy this also. This is a phase. So let's start with this. So my first question to you is, what is menopause and why it is so dreaded by all women?
So menopause, as we all know, we started with periods somewhere in our teenage, right? जब उन 12, 13, 14 साल डिपेंडिंग कभी जब भी सबको आती है, बट अभी सब लड़कियों को जल्दी भी आती है. सो वो पीरियड था जब हमने चालू किया था. अब ये पीरियड है अपने लाइफ में जहां हम एंड कर रहे हैं वो ब्यूटीफुल जर्नी को. एंड वी हैव लिव्ड आवर ब्यूटीफुल लाइफ during that entire phase of our life, from the day when we started, the day when we will end it. Okay, so ending part is, so the ending part is a point at which a woman stops ovulating, and that is the point when menstruation stops. Okay, it indicates the end of fertility period. That's it. And trust me, all living beings, everybody goes through this phase of life, be it human, be it plant life, or be it animal life.
So I don't think then there is any problem.
No, there is no problem. It's just that with this end of ovulation, your ovaries are just stopping to produce the hormone required for your menstrual cycle to continue. Like, उसका बड़े बड़े नाम देने जरूरत नहीं है मेरे हिसाब से. जस्ट इतना समझना जरूरी है कि ओवरीज में से वो हार्मोन जनरेट होना बंद हो जाएंगे, जिसके कारण हमें हमारी मंथली साइकिल आती है. ओके, बट उसके जो इफेक्ट अपने शरीर पे पड़ते हैं, दैट इज व्हाट वी नीड टू बी केयरफुल अबाउट.
I agree.
Okay,
so what are the phases, what are the symptoms of this menopause? How do we know that it is coming?
So basically we have 4 stages in this journey. So it starts with pre, peri, then actual menopause, and the 4th one is that's the life after that last period. That is a post-menopause. Okay. And what we dread of is, it's just a feeling of missing out, because we started somewhere in our teen life and we lived our life. We started getting used to it. We got our beautiful part of our journey passed through it. And then now we are going to not get it. that is what is killing us out, you know, कि ये जा रहा है अपने शरीर में से, क्योंकि हमने एक्सेप्ट कर लिया था. जब एक्सेप्ट कर लिया था लाइफ में, तभी उसमें से हम लोग निकलने वाले. तो इट्स अ फीलिंग ऑफ मिसिंग आउट.
Great. So what is this pre, peri? What is this all about?
So pre is basically the starting of the symptoms of menopause. Maybe you will feel different. You may be really hyper, anxious, or you may sound very depressed. You may not sound depressed, but your talk will take you to a level where you the person who are listening to you feel that, okay, she's going through a real big difficult phase of her life.
Okay.
Okay. And in peri, actually in this phase, ovary functions declines, periods can become irregular, and symptoms vary depending upon each and every individual who is going through this thing. So मैं एक चीज बोलूं और आप वो एक्सपीरियंस करो, वो जरूरी नहीं है. आप कुछ और लेवल पे एक्सपीरियंस करो या ऑल टुगेदर totally different symptoms experience करो. Then comes the third stage, when actually you have a 12-month gap between your previous period.
Okay.
So you have not got a period after, say, 1st January 2021 and 31st December 2021, you end 12-month period. That means it's menopause. Your menopause is done with. And from 1st January 2022, you start a period called as post-menopause period.
Oh, that's a surprising thing. But do you think that females can get this periods at irregular intervals? Means after every 15 or 16 days they get periods? Is it a part of that?
Yes, that comes under a perimenopause system, not perimenopause stage, and not under menopause stage. Menopause stage, a period is 12-month period.
And what is the age? There is any age? Because right now, what we have experienced personally, that girls start their periods very early. Earlier it was 15, 16, then it came 11, 12. Now it's 9 and 10 also, it's okay.
Yes, we have seen this in our in the clients that I serve to, and it's because of many reasons that this happens. But whenever it happens, look at it from this way, that when you start period early, probably you'll end up late. Okay, that means your menopause will be at the fag end of your life. Okay, towards like beyond 50. When you start late, you can expect that it will come early. That is a general research or general information available around the world.
Okay.
Okay. So, and getting early periods, it's very normal thing nowadays. And getting it around before 12 is also a very normal thing in females' lives.
Great. So I think as we enjoy our 9 months of, that pregnancy stage where we don't know, every female has a different symptom. Somebody wants to, do something else. Someone does something else. So in the same way, we experience this menopause journey also. It also has 4 trimesters or 4 semesters, I must say.
Yes.
So people should enjoy it. So lovely people who are watching us, you might be facing any problem in Facebook Live, because I can see on my screen that Facebook is saying that this whatever topic we are discussing is not healthy. So they might have blocked me from Facebook. So no worries, we are recording this live, but we will be sharing this on YouTube too. And the links will be on all the social media. We are just trying to fix it up, but if it doesn't, then don't worry, we will be sharing this soon with you, because I think Facebook is not liking the topic of menopause. They have restricted our live, I think. So, Hetal, moving forward, what do you recommend? Because this is a time when we were experiencing this, any female is experiencing this, she doesn't know कि क्या चल रहा है, उसको समझ में ही नहीं आता है बहुत टाइम तक कि क्या हो रहा है. बिकॉज ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि प्रेगनेंसी टेस्ट करेंगे और पता चल जाएगा, तो हमें नहीं पता चलता है कि मेनोपॉज आ रहा है. So, जैसा कि आपने बोला, mood swings, she gets hyper, she goes into a sadness.
Yes.
She never wanted to, but she goes into. So, what is the best thing to calm her up? Is it yoga? Is it Zumba? Is it dance? What she needs to do?
I will say anything that one person, anything, like suppose if I'm addressing your question, my answer is anything you do. If you do not believe into it, please don't walk on that path in jealousy or just to show off. Do it wholeheartedly and for your own self. So any form of exercise which gives you kind of achievement, only difference in yoga is traditional and yoga and traditional dances that they give you a combination of mind, body, and soul, whereas other exercises are just physical exercises. So select the exercise which helps you handle your mind, body, and soul, because that is what is menopause all about. You need to handle your mind, you need to handle your body and soul, because that is what the impression that you are carrying for your future life.
Okay. Wow. So anything will work, but it should be, matlab, they should do something.
Anything will work if it comes from within. That's very important. Not doing just because my friend is doing, or not just because my somebody's asked me to do it. It should come from within. You believe into it, and then it makes a difference.
Okay. So being a yoga therapist, what do you do in this? If somebody comes to you, "Okay, I don't know what is happening to my body, but something, something is not what is normal. Something is not normal." So, what do you do? Means, how do you deal with it?
Basically we work with mind and body together, and that leaves a good impression on your soul, because we start with I start with the client to understand what their symptoms are, and based on that we have enough pranayam to handle their mind and their breathing, and at the same time asana, which improvises their bodily discomforts. Pranayam works on your mind and soul, but asana works on your body.
True, true. So, is it there are certain things that they don't have to do in menopause, or it's just a normal phase?
Just take it as a normal phase of your life.
Why people don't want to talk about it?
I think the past impressions or the earlier generation who they were never vocal about it. We have been, like, nowadays everybody is quite vocal about it. Even enough education is being provided in the schools, even equally to boys and girls. Everybody is accepting this phase of their life, and this is as part and parcel of life. But the impression that we have carried from our previous generation are still with us. So अगर वो हम break कर दे, वो छोड़ दे, तो हम बहुत आगे जा सकते हैं.
I need to understand from you. Do you think men also needs to be aware about it?
Yes, 101%.
Okay. Why?
Come on, you have lived so beautifully with your life partner, right? With your companion. Such a beautiful journey you have walked through with her for, say, 20 years or 15 years. Then you just evaluate her based on just 2 years or 3 years or 4 years of their life. No. They should support, they should encourage, and they should understand what a female goes through during this.
But my question now again, जब एक फीमेल खुद ही नहीं बात करना चाहती इस टॉपिक पे, डू यू थिंक शी विल बी एबल टू एक्सप्लेन द पार्टनर? बिकॉज हस्बैंड तो इसी डिलेमा में रहेगा, यार अभी तो तू ठीक थी, अभी क्या हो गया, व्हाई यू आर शाउटिंग, अभी तो तुम ठीक थी, व्हाई यू वांट टू क्राई?
बट ये फेज जब आए तभी क्यों बात करनी है, उसके पहले नहीं बात कर सकते?
I don't think pehle Indian mentality, as you said very rightly, that they want to go forward and talk about it because they think कि यार अभी क्यों बात करें, जब आएगा तब की तब डील करेंगे.
मेरे हिसाब से तो पहले बात करनी ज्यादा बेहतर है, एंड
तो
ओपनली बात करनी बहुत जरूरी है. एंड क्यों सिर्फ हस्बैंड के साथ में, क्यों नहीं अपने बच्चों के साथ में? लड़के हो तो क्या हो गया, because they are out of your body, right? They are not different from you. So बात करनी चाहिए, उनको समझना चाहिए और सबको समझना चाहिए। घर में ये बात करनी टैबू नहीं है, कोई भी एंगल से टैबू नहीं है।
What are the symptoms of this menopause? Starting कैसा होता है इसका? How is it?
Generally a female goes through a mood swing. That is the point when it starts. Either she is very depressed, or she thinks lowly about herself. She starts evaluating herself with somebody else, maybe her family members, co-family members, or with her friends. और जनरली हमारे सबके लाइफ में एक मिड लाइफ क्राइसिस कॉन्सेप्ट है, वो हमें सिर्फ एज के नंबर के साथ में ही आ जाता है। सो जैसे ही हम 40 में जाना चालू करते हैं, उसके पदचिन्ह अपने शरीर अपने माइंड में दिखने चालू होते हैं, और फिर 45 तक आते वक्त वो पूरे इंप्रेशन बन जाते हैं।
So wonderful. So I have also read about it that a female get hot flushes in night. She feels a sweat in winters also.
Yes.
So do you think that's the right time that she should come forward and talk to husband ki boss, I'm going through all this, so you have to deal with me?
Yes, she should also talk about it, and for her own good, she should practice. There are some enough sequences available in yoga which allows that symptom to get controlled. So doing pranayam on a religious basis, not religious, I should not say religious, I should not use word religious, as a ritual for your own self. If you do this, you can, I'm not saying that you will completely elevate that feeling, but you will reduce the impact of it on your body.
Okay.
So doing pranayam and doing asana and getting interacting with like-minded people and not negative people, and soliciting the right information and encouragement will work on all the negative points of menopause.
Wonderful.
Saying all the negative points.
Yeah. So Hetal, मतलब अभी तक मुझे जितना समझ में आया, जितना मैं चाहूंगी कि मेरा टाइम इतनी आसानी से निकले, that we should come forward and talk about it to our partners, to our kids, so that they can understand us better.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Because this is one journey where we have to walk alone. Yes. But if we have good people with us, I think the journey is more easier to walk on.
Yes. 101%. I always say, do something today that your future self will thank you for.
But I always suggest people that, as she said rightly, that on YouTube or on channels, you might get some asanas or some pranayam things. But see, if you're not a yoga person, then I always suggest that take a help of somebody who is expert, or a yoga therapist, or like, Hetal, because she is one person whom I know will come forward and help you. But don't try something that you have not tried before through YouTube or on any other, because that might land up somewhere else and you then taking some doctor's treatment. So see, because she's a therapist, if I say कि नहीं मैं योगा सिखा दूंगी तो मैं नहीं सिखा सकती हूँ, because you can only teach यार how to do pranayam in a right manner, है ना? YouTube can't teach us.
Yes.
So, Hetal, if we talk about, you are already running Soham Studios and you're founder of that place. So, do you also take some classes and some special programs especially for females?
Yes, I do conduct classes specifically and dedicated for menopause. And I also do run workshops, say 1-day workshop, just to touch upon the topic in a private gathering, to educate the group of people, to share my knowledge with them as to how can they make a difference in their own lives.
Wonderful. So when is the next one coming up, so that people want to know and they can get in touch with you?
I'm currently running a program. Which is like, I started off post Diwali, which is just a menopause yoga. that I run thrice a week. And I am going to schedule one workshop for menopause around 14th of January.
Okay. And what's the duration like?
Workshops are 2 hours. It's just take 2 hours for me to share just a glimpse of what they can do. And the regular classes that I conduct, that is 1 hour thrice a week.
Wonderful for sharing this information, Hetal, because many will be benefited for this. And definitely, if you permit us, we will be sharing your link and your phone number in my description box so that people can go there and check out for you. Is it okay with
Certainly.
you?
Certainly.
Perfect. I've also been reading about this menopause thing because I myself is 43 now. So sometimes I get hyper. So I keep on reading कि यार कहीं आ तो नहीं गया कि पता भी नहीं चलेगा. So I've gone through a term called HRT. So what does that HRT means?
HRT is hormone replacement therapy.
Okay.
So treatment, or I should not say therapy, it's a treatment where doctors prescribed under a given condition, depending upon that individual patient, gynecologists give them a hormone replacement therapy, by doing that, you are delaying your menopause by taking that medicine.
And what's your take on this? Why we have to delay it?
My take on this is it's a very debatable point of discussion where I'm not a doctor, so I can't say why they recommend, but I will say it's a very, very tricky situation when you walk on that path. Please evaluate yourself in its entirety. Okay, what are the effects, what are the side effects, and what you are going to face after delaying that menopause.
Oh, but why we have to do it? It will come one day or the other. It will come. So कितना delay करोगे?
Again, Preeti, as I mentioned, it's a debatable point.
Yeah.
So individuals take on it and what they are expecting. But if you relate HRT and if you relate midlife crisis and you want to hold on to your beautiful phase of your life, maybe that must be motivating everybody who must be taking HRT.
Oh,
So
is that so?
it's,
I know it's a
don't know
debatable
whether it's
thing.
right or wrong. I've not gone through it, so I really don't know about it. And neither I'm not a I'm not a doctor, so I can't comment it why they recommend this. But I can just tell them that please work on that path very carefully.
That's wonderful. So people who are listening to us or who will be seeing our live, this is really a thing, HRT. So if you think that this is needed, I never knew about it. I've just heard this term many times while I reading some article or so. So I got a clarity that it is just treatment to shift your cycle or menopause thing. So I personally feel there is no point shifting. It has to come. You can't stop it. Fine. So enjoy it. I would say enjoy it. Let's see. मैं कितना enjoy करूँगी अपने time पे. I need to see that. But yes, is there any one thing which I wanted to ask you personally? Is there any side effects of menopause? Is there that people matlab, can't regain that thing again back in life?
Obviously, side effect is that you are going to miss that phase of your life. Side effect is that you are going to stop. The effect that body goes through is on bones, then your mental strength, the ability to do things. You feel that okay, मेरे शरीर में से मेरा कोई एक अंग छूट गया है.
Okay.
वो हैंडीकैप जैसे लगता है ना, वो फीलिंग जो आती है ना, वो उसकी साइड इफेक्ट. और वो हमें कैसे ओवरकम करनी है. There are enough number of people who have worked on this path very, 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 very effectively and very nicely. We must make them as our role model and walk on that path. but each and every female on this earth has gone through this.
Okay. See, when we say as a female, I've heard many people, from my mother also, that doctors have suggested her get your uterus removed. Okay, so
Mm.
that is also one part. That is also one part that that goes off, and people have to deal with it. So I think it's okay. It's okay, and we need to enjoy every moment, and we should be blessed that we are females.
Yes, and removal of uterus does not
Hmm.
mean that you will not go through this menopause symptoms. Okay, you may have stopped your period maybe much earlier than expected,
Hmm.
but all the symptoms, anybody and everybody will go through, even if after it's called hysterectomy. So they will, all females will go.
Okay. So, people who are watching our live and who are listening to us, it's your channel. It's all about you and it's only for you. So, please come up with all the questions. Hetal is with us right now for another 10-15 minutes more. If you have anything, please ask us on our live. And one thing more, if you really want to ask n number of questions related to menopause, then she will be definitely again coming. I know that that's a surprise for her. She must be thinking मैंने हाँ ही क्यों बोला. But Hetal, we want you again back maybe end of December once you're back from your vacations. And there is a program called Ask Me Anything where people give us some questions through social media or through WhatsApp, and I will be asking you those. That will be a rapid fire thing so that people get more clarity and they know you more.
Sure.
Okay. And before we move towards our end, and before we take your advice, in life, people are asking something. Can I, if you permit me, can I read those comments to you?
Sure.
Uh, they're asking, I'm currently in my menopause, in her yoga. This is a feedback for you. Somebody is writing Beena Jayakrishnan. I'm currently in her menopause yoga program. Hetal is too good. I'm loving the fact I have someone to handhold me through various breathing techniques and exercise. So, people who are hearing us out, breathing techniques and exercise that no YouTube channel or no program can teach you.
Thank
So, take help of a therapist. And Hetal is with us. डिस्क्रिप्शन में इसका पूरा लिंक दिया होगा, नंबर दिया होगा. You can get in touch with her or you can ask me. I will share her number. I told you मेरा experience was with her was fabulous for my daughter who is just 17. And when I asked for myself, she said yoga join कर. But as she said rightly कि यार जब तक अंदर से नहीं आएगा you can't join. तो हेतल अभी अंदर से मेरे तो आया नहीं है. But definitely I'll join. But people are saying so good about you on social media, and that's your, I think, earning.
Thank you so
So, so I want to hear more about your program. आप कैसे करते हो? How do you do? What all techniques you follow? Just share with our audience, please.
So basically, we start with calming down and just getting into the present mode. And then we stretch ourselves. We practice certain asanas clubbed with pranayam or dedicatedly only pranayam. Okay, so there are uh, different parts of this entire sequence, and you have to travel through it to experience the benefit of it. It's not that allopathic medicine which just you pop in and you are done with it, you will be cured. No, yoga is a slow and steady process, kind of a slow poison, you might say, that it has its impact gradually. It's not an overnight pill.
Wow. So I think you might get people inquiries because this is a thing that they need to learn and they can't learn it from any channel. This is
Yes,
my personal thing. They need to go to take help of an expert on this, who is
yes.
expert. So at the end, I want you to give advice to us and especially to men, what they need to do, how they need to do, and why they need to do.
So I will say learn to acknowledge that it's an important phase of life in your partner's journey and do take enough steps to make it more fruitful. Encourage them, educate yourself rather than them. encourage them and educate yourself so you can support your partner and you can travel this phase of life very mature.
So I hope if men are not listening to it right away, they can see our link once we upload it, and then they can listen while traveling and they can help their partner in this journey. Because यार जब पेरेंट्स साथ बने, जब वो वाला मोमेंट साथ साथ जिया, तो why not this menopause? I always say, because I make fun of this word every time I listen menopause. I said, men, oh, pause. Now you have to pause. So I make it a fun like this with this word. But yes, who are dealing with it? Maybe I have not experienced it, Abhi, but the people who are dealing with it, जो इसको face कर रहे हैं, they might have some into other trauma or something like that. Because आपने मुझे एक बहुत अच्छी चीज बताई हेतल कि लोग इसलिए बात नहीं करना चाहते बिकॉज उनको वैसे ही बड़ा किया गया है वो हमारा सोसाइटी. बट मैंने उन लोगों से बात की बिफोर आई अप्रोच्ड यू who are like me, modern like me, they party like me, okay? And when I talk to them, though they are little elder to me, and when I said ki yaar, let's talk about it, let's come on an open forum and talk and let more people join in and be a part of this conversation, they all said no, ये कोई बात करने की बात है. I said यार आप पीरियड्स के बारे में बात करते हो, आप अपने हनीमून के बारे में बात करते हो, आप अपनी शादी के बारे में बात करते हो, why not about this? They said नहीं यार इसके बारे में no, I don't want to talk about it. So I want people to come forward and वो जो अंदर से झिझक या इसको गंदी बात सोच रहे हो, take it out यार. I don't think this is a bad thing.
It's not. You are very right on this take.
यार when as a female I think we have got all the strength to grow like this. ठीक है बहुत सारे changes हमने देखे हैं. So this is another change.
Yes, 101%.
अच्छा, one thing I want to ask you for myself,
Tell
because
me.
you are a therapist. वो अंदर से ना बहुत कुछ हो रहा है कि यार अभी हुआ नहीं तो पूछ लो. यार इसमें पतले होने का कोई स्कोप है कि आप वेट रिड्यूस भी कर जाते हो
किस में? मेनोपॉज में?
मेनोपॉज में और यू गेन
मेनोपॉज में अगर कुछ पहले से चालू नहीं किया तो वेट लॉस करना तो बहुत डिफिकल्ट चीज है. You may gain weight after menopause, so it's better that we start off something very early. Okay, it's not कि हमें वो फेज आने के बाद में वो चीज पे काम करना है, उसके पहले से हमें पता है कि हमारे जिंदगी में वो आने वाला है, तो why don't we start early?
Oh God. Acha, I thought this will be like a blessing for me कि I can shed off some weight and move forward. But you have given me an alarm कि Preeti go and join something before it's too late.
Yes, 100.
Oh my God. Okay. So people are really watching us and they're enjoying. Anything special that you want to advise to young people also? Young generation who is coming up?
Young generation, for girls and young ladies, cherish the moments that you have right now, but do things that you are taking care of your mind and body. Okay, enjoy karna buri baat nahi hai, but mindful enjoyment makes life much more beautiful than what it is.
Wonderful, wonderful, Ethel. Wonderful. So, people out there, do keep watching our lives, do keep watching our space for seeing next creative where it says ask me anything with Hethal, so that you know when she's coming again with us. And I'll try to answer all your queries, all your questions that I get within that period of time. So keep bombarding with your questions, with your suggestions to make this channel, it's all about you, make this live all about you, more good. And before we end, I want to say Hetal is not only a menopause expert or a yoga therapist or a yoga expert, she also deal with many other things that people undergo with changes. Okay, so you can directly reach out to her, ask her, because her way of treating you will be different in the sense She doesn't tell you, "Acha bhai, class karni hai, aaja." No, this I've experienced on my own. She first share a Google form with you where she'll ask every detail that she wants about you, and then she moves forward. That's her choice कि ये problems हैं तो इसके लिए क्या best है. So you will be, I can vouch on that you will be in the right hands once you approach her and talk to her, because she is an expert. Okay, Hetal, it was wonderful talking to you. It was wonderful live session with you, and so many things got cleared, especially the HRT part, which I thought, "Arey yaar, ye ek nayi term aa gayi hai, like PCOD." So, but HRT is really one thing that people need to think before they take a step forward onto it. Yeah, thank you so
Thank you
much.
for having me here.
Oh, it was my pleasure. It is really, I am honored to have you on my show and talking so much about this topic called menopause. And I want people to reach out to you directly and talk to you and exchange their feelings and views, and you can guide them in a better way. Thank you so much, Hetal, for coming on. It's all about you, because this is a community where we talk about topics that nobody wants to talk about. Thank you. And bye-bye, Hetal. Take care. God bless, and more power to you to deal with all females like us.
Thank you. Bye. All the best.
Bye-bye.
Bye.